Welcome aboard. Now that you're a client, let's check out the StoreToDoor setup process and total delivery package. First, we'll build you a client portal. Second, you'll receive your credentials via email. If this is not in your inbox, please check your spam folder. Your activation email consists of a company ID, email address, and a temporary password. From this email, you will click the Sign In button. Here you'll enter the temporary password from your initial email and select the Sign In button. Our system will prompt you to set up a permanent password using at least one special character, one capital letter, and one number. Next, you'll click the Confirm New Password button. And lastly, you will agree to the terms and conditions. So now that you're logged into the client portal, let's get delivering. So first, you'll click on the Create Orders tab on the left side. Select your pickup location. If you have more than one business location, it is important you are selecting the right one. Next, you'll enter the pickup date. Your date can be scheduled for today, tomorrow, or in the near future. Next, you'll select a pickup time. This is the time you want the driver to pick up the order. The order has to be submitted a minimum of 60 minutes prior to pickup. Next, you'll click on Add a Delivery. Here you'll enter all of the customer contact information. First, you'll enter the cell phone number where your customer will receive updates while their items are out for delivery. Next, you'll enter your customer's first and last name. The destination address is linked with Google Maps, so once you start typing in the address, everything else will populate. Some addresses are a bit more complex, so in these instances, manual entry may be necessary. Next, you will enter the number of packages the client is receiving. And finally, enter any delivery notes for your StoreToDoor driver. If necessary, an example could be to leave the package at the front step. Lastly is click Add on the bottom right-hand side. So for multiple orders, you can either select Add a Delivery again and manually enter the information, or you can upload CSV where you will select that and click the Help button to show an example of how to complete that. Once you've added the delivery details, you will click the Submit button where it'll give you two options. The first is to submit and print labels. This is always recommended. The other option is to submit order where you can later print the labels. So once you've submitted and printed the labels, it will automatically put each label for each order in a new tab where you can print and stick them on the packages. If you're looking to view the status of an order for current or previous orders, start by clicking Manage Orders on the left-hand side. This will default to show you orders in the last 7 days. To view orders that are beyond that, you will click on the Created column and filter by specific day or date range. The columns in this table can be sorted by clicking on the column headers and filtered by clicking on the triangle with the 3 lines. The status column on the right-hand side will display either pending, meaning that the order has been placed, assigned, indicating that the order has been assigned to a driver, active indicates that the driver is out to pick up the order, and delivered means that the driver has dropped off the order. From this page, you can also print reports by selecting Export as CSV at the top right-hand side, or you can select specific orders to print the CSV, or you can also print the labels. Lastly is if you do not see your order that you just placed, it is recommended to click the Refresh button on the right-hand side to view updates. To view delivery details of past orders, you can select an order you would like to view. Features in this section include order ID number, status, delivery type, number of packages delivered, and dispatch notes. If a package was left at the door or needed photo verification, you may see delivery photos and a delivery signature on this page as well. Under the driver section, it will also display the name of the driver and any notes the driver left if applicable. So if you'd like to delete an order, there are 4 easy steps to do that. So first you're going to go to the Manage Orders tab and click on an order that you'd like to delete. First you're going to check the status of the order. So the order has to be in the pending or assigned status. So if it is, then you can scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Delete Order button. This will prompt you to reconfirm that you'd like to delete the order. So here you can select Delete for a second time. If you'd like to add roles to your client portal, you can do so by selecting the Roles tab on the left-hand side. This allows you to limit permissions for your employees in your organization. If you'd like to add user accounts for individual employees, you'll click on the Employees tab on the left-hand side. So you can refer to our how-to videos to learn more about setting up roles and employees in your organization. For easy access for future orders, either bookmark the login page for our portal or simply visit StoreToDoorCanada.com and click Login. So that summarizes our quick step-by-step video. If you have any further questions, please reach out to our customer success team at support@StoreToDoorCanada.com, or you can refer to our help videos for further details.